Greetings everyone. How fast can you calculate the following? The answer is 2,574. Believe it or not, it is possible to get this answer in 3 seconds. That's right, 3 seconds. And the reason why this is possible is because multiplying by 11 allows us to manipulate the digits of the multiplicand, which in this case is 234, to arrive at the answer instead of using long multiplication techniques. Allow me to demonstrate. The first step is to attack the digits on the edges. In this number 234, those digits are the 2 and 4. Next, we get the inner digits as follows. First, add the 2 and 3, which gives us 5, and this becomes the first inner digit in the resulting answer. Then we add the 3 and 4, which equals 7, and that becomes the next inner digit of the resulting answer. And there we have our answer, 2,574. Isn't this wonderful? Did you catch the trick? Here's another example. How fast can you calculate 352 times 11 this time? If you want to have a go at this, pause the video and see if you can get the answer in 5 seconds or less. If you got 3,872 in 5 seconds or less, then congratulations, you have increased the math force within you. For those of us that just want to enjoy the show, the method is again, attack the edges with 3 and 2, as they will form the first and last digits of the resulting answer respectively. Then we calculate the inner digits of the resulting answer by first adding the 3 and 5, which will give you 8, and then add the 5 and 2, which gives you 7, and that's how we arrive at the answer in 5 seconds or less. So far, so fast. However, there are some instances when the calculation contains a speed bump, which may slow you down. So here is such a calculation, 471 times 11. Now the tactics are pretty much the same, with just a slight adjustment for the speed bump. So again, we attack the edges, which gives 4 and 1, as the potential first and last digits of the answer. You will see why I say potential in a moment. Next, we add the 4 and 7, but this gives us 11, which is a 2-digit number. And since we can't place a 2-digit number in a 1-digit space, herein lies our speed bump. But we handle this by splitting up the 11. First, we insert the 1's digit, which is 1, as the first inner digit. And this will act as the pivot, if you will, for the carry digit. Second, the 10's digit, which is also a 1 in the number 11. This is our carry digit. It is so called because we carry it to add to the digit on the immediate left of the pivot. So we add this 1 to 4, which gives us 5. This takes care of the speed bump. And as you can see, the edges have now changed somewhat. It used to be 4 and 1, but now it is 5 and 1. So now we just add the 7 to the 1 to get 8, and thus we have our final answer, 5,181. The key point to remember when handling the carry digit and the pivot is this. Always add the carry digit to the digit on the left of the pivot. Let's look at one more example with a speed bump to strengthen our understanding. So we have here 528 times 11. Attack the edges, 5 and 8. And this might just be potentially the first and last digits of the answer. Next, we add 5 and 2, which gives us 7. Then we add 2 to 8, which gives us 10. Speed bump alert. No problem. we just have a bit more work to do, which may account for an extra 2 seconds in most cases. But the entire operation can still be done in under 10 seconds. We take the 0 and insert it as the second inner digit and a pivot for the carry digit. The carry digit here is the 1, and we add this to the 7, which then becomes 8. And so our final answer is 5,808. So it just so turns out in this instance that the edges remained the same. Okay, so we come to the moment of truth where you put into practice the tactics involved in manipulating a multiplicand that is being multiplied by 11. Multiplicand is just a big word for the number being multiplied. So please pause the video and try these 4 multiply by 11 calculations. Okay, here are the answers. So how did you do? I know the last one had a speed bump, but did you manage it? I have no doubt you got all the calculations correct, but I'm more interested in the time it took for you to complete the exercise. So do me a big favor and post your completion time for this exercise in the comment section below. If your time is 10 seconds or less, congratulations, you have unlocked a new ability, multiply by 11 manipulation. Keep practicing to own this new ability and make it second nature to you. Increasing the math force does involve practice. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel as yet, please consider subscribing to enjoy more great math content, all designed to enable you to unleash the math force within you. Hit the notifications button so that you stay abreast of all the latest math force videos. Check out the previous speed trick video on the tiles shown here, and do tune in to the next video as we continue to learn more speed tricks to supercharge your speed calculation abilities. Thank you for watching, and until next video, may the math force be with you.